In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a refund from Wizz Air. We'll follow the exact path on the website, and I'll add helpful context so you know what to expect and how to avoid delays. Start by opening your browser and going to wizzair.com. You can do this on desktop or mobile, but a larger screen can make the forms easier to read. Before you begin, it helps to have your booking confirmation, the passenger's last name, and the details of the disrupted flight handy, since you'll likely be asked for them during the request. Once the homepage loads, scroll all the way down and click Help Center. This is usually in the footer. The Help Center is where Wizz Air centralizes policy information, guidance for disrupted flights, and all the official request forms. Inside the Help Center, select Delay, Cancellation, and Refund. This section gathers everything related to flight issues and compensation. Even if your situation is straightforward, going through this area ensures you're applying under the correct policy and using the right form. Within that section, find the refund heading and click More Information. Take a moment to read the details on this page. It outlines eligibility, what counts as a refundable situation, and the types of refunds offered. You may see explanations about refunds to the original payment method, vouchers, or credit, and any conditions or deadlines that apply. Reviewing this now can prevent mistakes and back and forth later. When you're ready, click Request Refund. This will open the official submission flow. Depending on your case, you might be asked to sign in or provide booking details such as your confirmation code and passenger information. Enter everything carefully and make sure names and codes match your booking exactly. If you're given options for how to receive your money, choose the one that suits you best after reading the notes on processing times. Double check your contact details so you don't miss follow-up messages. If you see a reference or case number at the end, save it. Finally, about timing. Refund waiting time depends on the request. Processing can vary based on the reason for your refund, the payment method you used, and how complex the case is. Some refunds appear faster as vouchers, while returns to the original payment method may take longer to show in your statement. Keep an eye on your email for confirmation and any additional requests for information. If you don't see updates, check your spam folder and monitor your booking for status changes. That's it. Follow these steps on wizzair.com, submit the request through the Help Center, and allow the appropriate time for processing. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you secure your refund smoothly.